preventive health is about how do we make sure that your car, your body's car, is getting serviced regularly, and how can we pick up a problem at its earliest. क्योंकि शुरुआत में एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना बहुत आसान है, इतना आसान है कि लोग डिसमिस करते कि यार इतना सिंपल तो नहीं हो सकता, राइट?
गिव मी एन एग्जांपल.
लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर समझो तुम्हें एंग्जाइटी हो रही है, ठीक है? एंग्जाइटी का मतलब हो रहा है हमारा बॉडी फाइट एंड फ्लाइट में जा रहा है, आवर बॉडी थिंक्स दैट इट इज इन डेंजर,
yes.
ठीक है? नाउ यू गो इनटू एंग्जाइटी, you come back to normal, that is called resilience. Anxious हो गया, back, you are back normal, great. You keep going into anxiety, you go into chronic anxiety, your body does not have the time to recover. It starts affecting your heart, it starts affecting your sleep. That in turn reduces your resilience. After a period of time, even a small trigger will push you into anxiety. And suddenly you start throwing a panic attack, तुम फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे हो. बट बिफोर दैट टाइम कुछ 6 महीने से तुम्हारे बॉडी में चेंजेस होना शुरू हुआ है. योर स्लीप वॉज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड, तुम्हारा हार्ट रेट वेरिएबिलिटी कम होना शुरू हुआ था पहले से ही. कैन वी पिक अप ऑन दैट?
What's heart rate variability?
Heart rate variability basically is the ability of your heart to change its rate to make it up and down as required. So if needed, can my heart rate go up to 180? And when not needed, can I bring it down to 50?
What's the range of heart rate variability? Like, is it like a percentage?
Higher, the better. So heart rate variability is the ability of the heart to change.
To be
There's
variable.
no
To be variable.
upper limit कि इसके बाद
So,
it's also not.
It should be about 30.
About?
30. About 30.
Above 30. Okay.
Yeah. It's not a fixed number, but 30, 40, 50, 70, 100, 110. Athletes have a lot, like a much higher heart rate variability. So basically heart rate variability का मतलब क्या है? आप अभी we're all chill, relaxed. Your heart rate must be what? 50, 60, 70. You're an athlete, maybe yours is 40.
All right then.
Okay. Now suddenly there is a bomb going off here. We have to run. Your heart rate shoots up to 120. Cool. You go out, things are calm. How long will your heart rate remain at 120? Which means how long will you remain anxious after a threat?
Very interesting.
If your heart rate variability is high, you will calm down faster.